Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do pivot tables using Excel. So here you have your data and it consists of a variety of different things, and you want to see how each breaks down. Well, you go to Insert, Pivot Tables, Pivot Table. Here it'll select all the data within your data set, and essentially it'll create categories for each. So this opens up on a whole new sheet, a variety of categories, and you can use these categories to fill up this box here in order to determine whatever it is that you're looking for. Here specifically, I'm going to look for the average sales price per square foot per building size for each state. Again, that's the average sales price per square foot per building size for each state. So first what you want to do is grab the state and drag it down to the row labels. And what this will do is give you a column full of each of the states that you have labeled in your entire data set. Then the sales price per square foot, since this is a value and can be calculated, we'll drop that in values. In here, it's going to give me the sum of each sales price. So for each sale that was made, it's giving me that added up. Then I want to put the building size under the values, and it's also providing me with the sum of the building size. So with Alabama having two cells with roughly 2,000 each, it's adding those up and giving me the sum of both. So what you want to do now to find the average is double click here on this, or you can come down here and click here and go to the value field settings, but we'll do it the easy way and double click here, slide down to average, and then double click here and slide down to average as well. Now this is providing me with the average sales price per square foot of each state. So the average sales price per square foot in Alabama is $514 for every 2,367 square feet of land, which is the average of this as well. So in the grand scheme, what this is saying is that nationwide, for every $480 spent, you can receive 9,924 square feet of land. Now, granted, there are a few outliers within these two data sets. Within these two sets. So, if you want to go more specifically in the region of California, you spend $318 for per square foot, you can receive roughly 7,166 square feet worth of building. So, essentially, that's pivot tables.